Hello students, welcome back after summer break. I hope you all are fine with your family and you all have wonderful time with your family members. Now our holidays are over, so we have to start our work again. The syllabus which we have covered before the summer break, I hope you all have completed and revised properly. If any query is there, any confusion do you have, then you can ask the concerned teacher. Students, today we are doing our next poem, that is Fire and Ice. This poem is written by Robert Frost. In this poem, poet wants to tell us how the world will end. People have different opinion. We don't have any certain or definite answer for this, but people have different opinion. In this poem, the poet wants to tell us about the opinion, views of two different groups. Two groups are there, they have their opinion how the world will end. So students, let's start this. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. As I told you, in this poem we have two groups and they have different opinion how the world will end one day. According to the first, some say the world will end in fire. So how the world will end? According to the opinion of first group, the world will be destroyed due to fire. Some say in ice. Then according to the opinion of second group, the world will end due to ice. From what I had tasted, here I stand for the poet, that is Robert Frost. It means according to the opinion of Robert Frost, the world will end. How the world will end? He had the opinion, I hold with those who favor fire. It means according to the opinion of poet, the world will end due to fire. The poet agreed with the first group. Here the fire had a symbolic meaning. What is the meaning of fire here? Fire is related to our desires, wishes we have. We all are running just to fulfill our desires, but these desires doesn't have any limit. So that's why these desires, these wishes, these means it can be responsible for the destruction of this world. We should have satisfaction in our life. We should be satisfied. We should not run behind our desires. According to the poet, the world will end due to fire. Next, move to the second stanza. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. In the second stanza, the poet wants to say, but if it had to perish twice, if the world had to end twice, means second time. What is the meaning of twice? Second time. If the world had to end twice, what would be the reason of that end. The region of that end will be ice. I think I here stand for the poet. I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction eyes. Eyes stand for the hate. Okay. Indifferent opinion. When people, what is the meaning of eyes? When we become very cold hearted, when we don't have feeling, when we don't care for others, it means these things are also responsible for the destruction of this world. Is also great and would suffice. Suffice means it will be enough. If we don't have feeling for others, if we don't care for the opinions and feelings of others, it means we become very cold hearted, we become insensitive, we become careless, we can say. And these things can also be responsible for the destruction of this world. So through this poem, the poet want to say how will be the end of this world if we have lots of desires, wishes, if we are running behind that, then that can be also be responsible for the destruction of this world. And the second opinion, if we don't have any feeling for our family member, for our friends, we don't care our relatives, our friends, then we become very cold hearted and it can be responsible for the destruction of this world. Here poet wants to say about if we have to maintain balance in our life. If we are not maintaining that balance, it means problem is there. And this poem somehow is related to environment also. How it is related to environment? Fire stand for the global warming. So we should also protect our environment. Thank you students.